I just looked outside and there's literally a random German Shepherd like this. I don't even know where did you come from? Are you friendly? Okay, you can't come inside. I don't know if Armani would like you. Why are you here? We need to find your owners. Did you smell another German Shepherd? Hello. Are you friendly? What are you doing? I thought this was my sister's German Shepherd for a second, but I was like, why would she randomly drop her dog off? So, I guess, what should we do here? I think I'm gonna call animal control and figure out who your owners are. You can smell Armani's toys, can't you? How did you get through into our yard? How did you get in here? Okay, we'll have to figure this out. Okay, so good news. Animal control came and picked up the dog, and they did find that he had a chip in him, so they were able to find where he lives, and now Coco and Armani are going crazy because they can smell the other dog. But good news, he's safe and back home, so.
Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas.
It snowed! It snowed! Money, look at the snow!
Spirit again. That warm place in my heart that was there from the start. I want that Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering downtown.
Good afternoon, everyone. I just made a smoothie. And I am just about to do my hair really quick. And we are going to go do some Christmas shopping. And then tonight, we actually bought tickets for the Nutcracker Ballet. So, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing to that. That'll be a lot of fun. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna do my hair, and then I might show you guys what we pick up once we do some shopping here in a little bit too. So that is what we're getting up to today. This smoothie is so good too, by the way. If you're interested, I'll leave the recipe down below. It's really simple, but it's really, really good. Okay, let's do this hair. My hair looks okay. I just want to put a little bit of a sort of bend on the end. So I'm going to run an iron through it. Santa baby.
Window shopping, listening to the sound from some street crier, caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again. That Christmas spirit.
sleek and done. So I'm going to finish my smoothie and head out to do a little bit of Christmas shopping. Okay, so I just got done getting ready for the Nutcracker, and this is what I'm wearing. I have my gloves and this long black coat, and then I'm wearing some black tights with these gorgeous shoes. I'll link everything down below. And then I have a turtleneck black knit mini dress, and it's so gorgeous. I love this look, and I'm also going to be really warm, and it's just so cute. And I think we're gonna get drinks after the Nutcracker, so let's go.